What kind of son would sacrifice everything, even his future, for his father?
Welcome to episode 2 of Mahabharat series.
In the powerful kingdom of Hastinapura, peace has returned. The mighty warrior Bhishma stood as its strongest pillar. But was everything truly perfect? Or was destiny quietly preparing something far greater? One evening, King Shantanu walked along the riverbank. A soft breeze passed, carrying a mysterious fragrance. Was it a memory or the beginning of a new destiny? As the king followed the scent, his eyes fell upon a young woman. Who was she? And why did her presence feel so powerful? Her name was Satyavati, simple and captivating. But could a fisherman's daughter become the queen of Hastinapura? The king's heart said yes. But would destiny agree? With hope, Shantanu approached her father. But what he had next changed everything. A single condition, and a dangerous one. The son born to Satyavati must become the king. What did this mean for Bhishma? The rightful heir, the pride of the kingdom. Would he lose everything? The king stood silently, unable to choose between love and duty. And slowly he walked away. But why did not he fight for his love? Why did a powerful king accept silence? Back in the palace, something had changed. The one strong king now looked broken, and Bhishma noticed. But could he understand his father's pain? Or would this secret remain hidden forever? Determined to know the truth, Bhishma asked the ministers, and what heard the condition. Everything became clear. The question rose in his heart. What is more important, a throne or a father's happiness? What would you choose, power or sacrifice? Without wasting a moment, Bhishma made a decision. But was it the right one or the beginning of a great tragedy? He rode toward the fisherman's village. The winds grew stronger as if nature itself was waiting. Standing before the fisherman, Bhishma spoke. I gave up my claim to the throne. Was that enough? No. The fisherman had one more doubt. What about your future children? And now the moment arrived, the moment that would change history. What could Bhishma possibly say? What vow could be strong enough to remove all doubt? Bhishma closed his eyes, and then he spoke that shook the heavens. I will never marry. I will never have children. A vow of lifelong sacrifice. A vow that ended his personal future forever. Can you imagine just such a sacrifice? Give up everything for someone else's happiness. The sky roared, the gods watched, and from that moment he was no longer just Devavrata. He became Bhishma. But this sacrifice truly a blessing or the beginning of a disaster? King Shantanu was overwhelmed with emotion. He blessed his son with a divine boon, the power to choose his own death, a gift born from sacrifice. Satyavati entered the palace as queen. The kingdom celebrated. But behind this happiness, a silent storm had begun already. Because every sacrifice has consequences. And this war would one day lead to a war that would shake the entire world. In the next episode, who will inherit the throne? Will peace remain or will rivalry begin? And how will this sacrifice shape the future of the Mahabharata?